I'm here! It's so cold! Oh, why there are no people here? I know who can help me. SmartBear Community. Help me, I'm here.
SmartBear Community to the rescue!
Yeah! Oh, thank you! Thank you! Thank you! SmartBear Community is always there to help. Hey, I'm welcoming you in the annual SmartBear Community News Journal for 2018. During the entire year, we participated in the SmartBear Community Live and helped each other. The contribution from each community member was enormous. I'd like to thank all of you for your activity. You rock! I'm sure 2019 will be even better. Before moving forward, let's recollect the main highlights of 2019. We've prepared a short annual report. Find it under this video. Feel free to give us your kudos and post comments with your highlights. See you in the SmartBear Community!